Hello AYS, this is Sandro speaking, the new Chief Business Officer and previous Chief Communications Officer. I would like to introduce you to the AYS Response tutorial video. In this video, we'll be explaining where you can get further assistance on how to set up Rage Response, how to set it up, and what the Rage Response bot does. We hope you all enjoy the tutorial, and we apologize for the tutorial coming out later than expected. Rage Response is a bot created by AYS to help AYS members with raids. Once a raid happens, you can alarm the AYS staff to come and help you to stop the raid with a simple command. Once the alarm has been triggered, it will alarm the staff instantly, and the staff will come into the server getting admin permissions from the bot instantly, hence why the bot is needed to have admin permissions, and then the staff will start dealing with the raid alongside the staff on the server. You can invite the Rage Response bot with a link in the description and setting it up step by step by simply using the command r.help. This command allows you to see all of the commands you can use to set up the bot. We can also assist you with these commands by simply asking AYS support or leaving a comment in the comment section below. AYS also offered Rage Response Premium for our patrons that offers priority support. You can visit the link to our Patreon in the description. However, the normal Rage Response will still help protect your server against raiders. Please take caution of our Rage Response system and do not use any false alarms, as it can lead to blacklist of the bots, not allowing to use the bot for a minimum of 2 weeks. We would also like to thank you for all watching this video, and again we would like to apologize for this video coming out later than expected. We would also like to congratulate conveniently #6041 for winning the Lion Premium giveaway on the previous video. Please see AYS support to claim. Again, thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.